Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Ready to do another young bird toss today. Today we are at 4.35 miles from my house. I also want to touch base. I told you that Crow Distance app was free. I stand corrected. It is not. It is $3.99, so $4, but I think it's worth it. But there's also another one called Distance Measurer that is actually, I know that one is free. I will put that in the descriptions here and help you out. So, but I like the other one, the Crow's Distance, better. I don't know, just because I'm so used to it. But I mean, they both work great. I can show you on the video here on, they both measure exactly the same. So, but I just wanted to touch base with you and, kind of communicate and let you know. So far, everything is going quite well. The birds are doing good. So, but I wanted to kind of show you too. We got all kinds of different colors in here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but nah, probably not very good. But I got a basket of just whites, or almost whites. Some are pure whites, some are grizzles, but be kind of neat to see just them will take off. So, and then I got some what they call auction birds. That's what these ones here are. I have an auction race coming up here. I'm not sure when, but is a race for to win some money. So hopefully I'll do good. But that's why I'm kind of doing them separately. That I'm trained by themselves, so they get familiar with how to get home on their own, because once they get to that race, that's what they're going to have to do. So, and then we got a lot of the blue bars, blue checks, all kinds of different colors, are basically the plain colors, as a lot of people call them. But, it's kind of neat to see how many different colors and stuff we get out there. But I'll probably try to do the tosses, each basket by themselves, wait 10 minutes, and let the next one go. I like to wait sometimes a little bit more than that, but today I don't have a whole lot of time, so I figured I'd just touch base and go from there. So, all right. I hope you enjoy watching the release. So, I don't think I'll make it home in time for them if I'm letting them, waiting 10 minutes on each one to go. So. All right, about ready to let these guys here go, the auction birds first, and then we'll wait, the 10 minutes and go for the next one. All right. Well, of course, he went the wrong direction, so I can't see him. Because we're in a big open wide spot. Of course, they head the wrong way. I can't record them. Them little stinkers. What do you do? Oh, there they are. There's a big old hawk. They're trying to circle around, hoping to get an easy meal out of my pigeons. Yeah, little stinker. Hopefully he goes away by the time I let the next ones out. Yeah, little stinker. All right, everybody. I'm ready to let the next basket out. I'm gonna stand here, so hopefully they go in the right direction so we can actually see him go. There's all the white ones. And they did the same thing right up over there. Oh, there they are again. There they go. There they are again. There they go. It's time to let the next basket out. This basket here I did make, and along with that one over there. I made that one over there for a wedding because that's the reason I have some of the white ones. So it's all out of plastic and it'll never rot. So other than I had fiberglass poles or rods. Same with this one here. So, but anyways, somebody thought that was a neat idea here. I use these keys for latches. That way they always go down, and makes it easy for them to take care of it. So, but anyways, here we go. One up. So things are cool. Watch all the birds like that. Well, at least these guys are heading the right direction. All right, it's time to let all these guys out next. So. See, with these fins here, I made this on purpose for the wedding, is I have it magnetized here with the magnets and there, so. Well, so far I had 4 auction birds make a home out of the 6, so that's not too bad. I expected a lot more than that, but it happens. Well, we'll have to keep watching and see how everything comes too. So, but anyways, that's all we can do. All right. Oh, there's the white ones. They just came home. Ooh. White ones made it finally. There's the rest of them up there. Whoop. Can't see very good up here. As you can see, the white ones are home, but they are not going in. But still, I'm glad to see they're all home. That means the rest of them should be home soon. So please like, share, comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.